Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you can read the title, I have received my dream. Well, okay. Let's not get carried away with the whole dream wheels, dream build, dream.
Shut up, bitch! Oh my God.
I have received a set of wheels that are by far my great, like I wouldn't say, they are grails. They're top 3 and they're not 3 for me. Like these are my #1 choice wheel if I were to put a wheel on the car. You guys already know what the wheel is, but it's a monumental occasion for me. You guys know me, bro. Like I don't ball out on things because I can't afford to ball out. So when I'm able to get something for a good deal, then you know I have to hustle a little harder than what I normally would. As you probably already know, yes, they are the wheels. But if you're new here and you have no idea who the hell I am, what's happening? I'm your main man, bro. No Diddy. The no Diddy thing is crazy. That is way too funny. Let's get these bad boys unboxed and put on the car. Oh, I have no tires, so I'm just gonna put them on the car and take some, whatever, bro. This is gonna be a short video. I'm just happy to share this information with y'all because I'm stoked. I am stoked on this. But let's show you the wheels. These are actually discontinued as well, and oh man. Any guesses on the wheel color of these teehees that I got? Any guesses? Going once? Without further ado, skis. My TE37 SL 18 by 9.5 plus 22 and that beautiful pressed graphite color. Oh my goodness, bro. 9.5 gang, son. Dude, these are my big boy spec'd out TE37s that are actually discontinued, bro. Originally, I had wanted a set of bronze SLs, but the bronze wasn't in stock and there was a huge back order. And then he was like, the guy I bought these wheels from, he was like, yo, I do have a brand new set of the graphite pressed color. And I was like, I don't know. I saw an FL5 with them on. I went, and then I was like, not a fan. Then I saw this GTI. If I'm smart enough, I have pictures on the screen so you guys can see exactly what the hell I'm talking about. And I was sold, bro. That looks so good. So I full sent. I got these wheels, bro. I worked my ass off just to buy only 2, because the rear wheel is gonna be even, I wouldn't say even better, but it's gonna be some beautiful ass wheels for the rear as well. But bro, y'all don't, man, the story behind me getting these wheels is just like, it's one of those amazing things, bro, where like I truly wanted these wheels because I want to do this build proper. Like I really want to, like, I want this to be like my best build to date, and it's gonna be a race car, bro. Like I am literally building it to be a race car. A race car could be a show car, but a show car cannot be a race car. It's crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and mount these on the Civic right now and see how they look like. Let's do it. Oh. I don't even got my fenders on yet, but just to see how these gonna look, it's gonna be crazy. Gotta be careful. Oh, bruh. Dog, that looks so good, bro. Holy shit. Oh, I gotta take a picture with the Zosh FG Brembo calipers. Them Brimskis. Oh, this is gonna look so good. I'm excited. I'm excited, bruh. Now, of course, you've seen multiple YouTubers get these wheels on their vehicles, and you know it's a common wheel amongst automotive YouTubers because, for one, it's a good ass wheel. I don't care what people say about they're played out. How can a motorsport intended wheel be played out? That never made sense to me. Like, oh, RPF ones are played out. How could a wheel be played out when it's used for its intended purposes? It's a motorsport wheel. You guys seen my bronze TE37s that I thrashed on? bruh, this is no different. Like, you buy the wheels because you're supporting the company and you're not buying into the rep wheels that makes the real wheel company go out of business. And these wheels have a lot of prestige, and I've always been a fan of the TE37s. I used to be one of those people.
I could never see myself spending all this money on some wheels. $2,000 on wheels, $3,000 on wheels. I could never see myself do it.
I could never wrap my head around why people would spend that much money on wheels until I was able to buy my first set of TEs. And I think I paid like $2,500. I can't remember how much I paid for those TEs. I think it was like $2 grand for those. And when I got them, I felt so accomplished. And I know you shouldn't feel accomplished by, you know, materialistic items, but when you set goals for yourself and you accomplish those goals, whether it do be materialistic things, you get that sense of like, damn, I did it. And that's what TE37s represent to me. I've been doing automotive YouTube for 8 years and then YouTube in general for 13 years. It means the world to me when I'm able to pick up a set of wheels that I worked my ass off to get, bro. Like, you guys know me, man. Like, I don't like asking for you guys to buy merch or things that I need. Like, I don't like asking for like a handout to do certain things, but it's very much appreciated when you guys do it. But I know, like, with me, I have to put the work in myself as well with other outlets of, you know, just trying to get to that money, man. Like, I don't ever want to chase something. I always want to obtain it. Like, because I believe if you chase something, you'll never catch it. Like, when you say chase your dreams, why would you want to chase your dreams? Chasing means something is running away from you. You feel me? So I always look at it as like, bro, work hard to achieve your dreams and, you know, pledge allegiance to the bag. This wheel represents a lot to me more than just a cool ass wheel. And it's like, I don't ever do anything for clout purposes. I don't build my cars for clout or anything like that. I build them for how I have the vision in my head to do them. And TEs are what it's that wheel for me, bro. It's just that wheel, man. And like I was saying, you see all the YouTube dudes get them because 1, they're a great wheel. 2, it's one of those clout chasing wheels. And 3, it's just a good ass wheel. But to me, it's very special to me, man. This represents that, like, I'm doing something positive. I'm going in a direction I want to go in, whether I'm building my car or building my life. TE37s, these wheels represent something bigger to me and lets me know that I'm on the right path. That's why I chose to go with the TE37s. And like always, I always want my videos to not ever come off like showboaty, because obviously in my eyes they don't. But more or less like a reason for y'all to keep going with what y'all want to do in life, bro. Like, not to make this on some sad, but like months ago, bro, I was in a place in my life where I thought, bro, like, I didn't know if I want to do this anymore. And to come back to do YouTube and to be able to work my ass off, do odd end jobs just to afford a set of wheels for my car, like, it just goes to show that, like, bro, when you have God and you put God first, bro, a lot of amazing things will happen. Because without God, bro, I'm telling you, I know, I don't care how you feel about it, bro, God is amazing, bro. Like, when you talk to him, he gives you clarity on situations. It's just like, he's telling me, like, bro, you got this, bro. Like, keep going. The right people are going to start watching. The right people are going to start pouring into you, bro. Pause. Damn. No diddy. But you get what I mean, bro. Like, it's just one of those things, bro. Like, bro, I just want all the homies to win, man. Like, if you're watching this video thinking about starting a YouTube channel, but you feeling like, nah, it's too late, it's too what's that word when it's too oversaturated. It's oversaturated with content creators, bro. Start it. When I got into the game back in 2016, 2015 of making car content, I didn't know any big creators. I didn't know nothing. I just wanted to create videos with the homies, working on our cars, and just having a good time filming it, bro. Like, if you guys can go back and see my old videos and see that I'm still the same dude with all the cool accolades I was able to accomplish. I'm still the same Percy, bro. Like, I feel like people who get big-headed by like following and all that stuff, like, that to me is crazy, bro. Like, you're an everyday dude, bro. You just got money and you can buy cool stuff. But money cannot unlame a lame. You feel me? I'm very proud of my journey of how far I've been able to come, pause, on on YouTube and in life in general. And I want to say thank you to everyone who's been watching, bro. Like, I really truly appreciate you guys for watching and clicking the like button, buying merch. Like, people who buy merch to me is crazy, because it's like you work your hours a week or you do what you have to do to get paid, and you decide to buy something off my website just to support me and what I'm trying to do. So you, like, to me, it's mind-boggling, bro, and it's crazy, and I'm very appreciative, bro, very appreciative. I've summed all this up to say thank you. I got a set of my dream wheels. Well, only two. I only got front two because my rear is going to be, I'm doing a reverse stagger, 18s up front, 17s in the back, and it's going to be crazy, bro. It's going to be crazy.